Now that you've selected your CQUniversity TAFE course, you're ready to take the next step and apply. With support and flexibility at every stage, CQUniversity is here to help you achieve your study goals. Kickstart your journey by clicking the Apply Now button on your course page. This will lead you to our student portal. New students will need to create an account by registering their details. If you're already a student with us, simply log in to access the portal. After logging in, review your details carefully. Ensure you've selected the right course, study mode, and location. Continue through the application by filling in your personal details and educational history. Next, upload your eligibility documents to support your application and funding assessment. Providing accurate and complete information will assist in processing your application faster. For guidance, be sure to check the application checklist. Once everything is ready, review your application and select Submit. After submitting your application, check your email for instructions on completing the BKSB testing. Complete it within 48 hours to progress your application. Keep an eye on your email for any updates and your official offer letter. If you have questions or need help, visit your nearest campus or call us on 13 27 86. Congratulations on applying for your CQUniversity TAFE course.